You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce once and for all correctly this name. Yes, I know it may look like it should be pronounced Smythe, but it's not. If you want to learn more confusing names pronunciations, make sure to stay tuned until the end of the video. We've got them all and you're going to learn quite something today. Smythe is the English pronunciation, the most common one. At least if you pronounce it any other ways, let us know in the comments, but generally, Smythe. Smythe. Now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.